Joel Murray with another episode of Wild Nature. Today we will be looking at a deer carcass and also some woodpecker holes. This deer carcass may scare you, so parental discretion advised. Come on. Crap, I don't know where I'm going. Joel.
Why don't you push the red button?
Huh?
Why don't you push the red button?
This is skunk cabbage. It's only baby. It's only a baby. We're going uphill, exactly in front of the deer carcass. Let's be off. Okay. Well, the deer carcass should be about right over there, so, come on. Alright, say something, Joel. Well, we're in half the shirt of the carcass. Go on. This is a sure sign. This is a sure sign that human life has been here. Stop now. Now. Look at this. No one can see. Look at all this. This is all the deer here. It must have died here. Look at this path. Eating. Bingo. Man, boom. We found our destination, folks. Well, here we are. Genuine deer carcass. Here we are, deer carcass. It must have got shot or ran over by the car. And it must have died up there. But then wolves or coyotes must have dragged it down here. We know that because there's a trail of fur leading to the carcass. Oh, look at this limb. Something must have happened. Probably a coyote or a wolf tore it off. Ooh, look at that. Well, now off to the woodpeckers. So, look at this. This must be the heart or something. That's just fleshy. This head, it's sort of curled. Imagine that it must have been like yelling in pain. Alright. Well, we must be off now. Come along. Going. Take a little refreshment. Come on. Look at this. This is just a pile of that deer turds. There's probably in this whole forest, there's probably about 30 buckets full. So, let me tell you a story. One day, when me and my friend were walking in the woods, we stumbled upon this tree, and my friend thought it was pretty interesting. So he picked up a stick and sort of whacked on the side. But then the pucker flew out of the side. It was a small little bird, but when you see the holes that it made, you'll see the work that it puts in to get its food. Come on. Ooh, look what I found. Shotgun shell. This little measly thing could have shot that deer. Look at this. It is a Winchester duck and pheasant. 6 load. Oh, we got one souvenir. Hey, look what I stumbled upon. About 1 foot long pine cone. Well, we got another souvenir. Look at this. This is my dog, Petey. He's very helpful with my episodes. Look at these vines. Imagine, how did this grow to be between those trees? It's amazing. Now, after those holes. Now, this is some more deer turds. Look at this. It's complete camouflage. It's exactly like a pine cone. Wonder why they do that. Look at this. Something must have laid down here. Looks sort of like gravel is unremoved and sort of soft. Must have been like a deer or some kind of dog or coyote or something. Look at this. This is why almost 15% of our animals in this forest are dying. Look at this. Pure chopping down the trees. It's a destruction of animals' homes. Well, it's just not good for them. Come on. Look what we stumbled upon. A bunny tail. And look at these. Some kind of moss. Looks like miniature trees, doesn't it? Interesting. One more souvenir. Bye. Another refreshment. Look what I'm standing on. Look at this. This is a whole family. Oh, something like snakes or maybe some moles or muskrats. Who knows? Maybe even a porcupine. Come on. Almost there. Well, found our destiny. Look at these holes. Big enough to fit probably raccoon. A little bird this big made holes that can fit about 10 of them inside. I can't believe that. Can you? Oh boy, this is flying bird. Come on. Well, some vines could hold 2 people in this forest. I guess that one can't even hold 1. Look at this. It looks sort of like a hive, but I'm not sure. Sort of like a bird spot. It's another mystery. God, this is tough little hill to get up. X marks the spot with a little red dot. Here we are. Go check our holes. Look at this. I can put my whole hand to it. Look how huge that is. Pretty big. Little bird this big made those. Well, yeah. Hi, Justin. Gee, I can't believe that a woodpecker made that huge hole. What an amazing thing. It's almost like a miniature Niagara Falls. It surprises me what the forest is of nature. It's just so amazing. That flows right in there. Probably goes under all this land and out the other side. That's pretty amazing to me. And look how this dam was built so that couldn't go over. For me, it's pretty darn amazing. Oh man, I am so hot and thirsty. And I drank all my water. I'm gonna have to get a refill. Action. Well, now that we're going out on my little boat, named her Betsy, I'll tell you about my amazing life. Oh, the good old days. Well, we'll be there in a couple of minutes. See you then. We've taken a stop to examine some of the wildlife. Well, let's see. This is a small pond. It probably contains about 100 or more fish frolicking in the water and surfing the waves. Oh, it's like a fairyland. Well, we're going up this hill because there might be some stuff that we could find, a couple Indian artifacts, or maybe some deer tracks. Something like that. Go. Look at this nest. Might be a squirrel's nest. Might be a robin's nest. Who knows if it's a bird or a mammal? Look at this. Somebody must have come here and tried to make a fire. Fire some loggers, because look at all those logs up there. Quite a lot. Well, this is pretty neat right here. Must have took a lot of work and a lot of sticks. Now that's a lot of work. Done. Good one. Look at this. This tree is absolutely hollow. Wonder how that happened. If we cut this tree open, there would probably be some kind of raccoon or porcupine or some kind of bird sleeping in it. We'll go. Where are you? Can you see this? Wait! Beautiful, beautiful. Are you sure that thing was on? Yeah. Still on. Oh, well. Now we're heading back to the boat. And we'll be home in a few minutes. Go. Well, we're finally at my house. This is my house. And my dog is in those brambles, sniffing something, as usual. And this is my mom. Well, now, let's tell you about my life. Well, I'm a student at RHJ School in Shrewsbury. The teacher is Mrs. Nordland, and there's only one way we could make the show. With the help of the cameraman and my best friend, Adam Sadowski. Say hi, Adam. Hi. We'll see you next time on Wild Nature. Recorded by Adam Sadowski. Hosted by Joel Murray. And filmed at the Murray's property. And there's Petey. Bye. When I go up, that's a wrap.